Nootropics information. Helping the world find nootropics information, organized in an easy-to-read format, and backed by science. Noopept. In-depth and updated review. Noopept. In-depth, progressive, and updated review. Summary: Noopept is one of the most potent nootropics available. It boosts overall cognition with a slight psychostimulatory effect. Effects kick in within minutes of consumption, making it a handy choice right when dealing with or getting to mentally demanding tasks. Contents. Introduction. Benefits and effects. Mechanism of action. Dosage. Side effects. Conclusion. User experience. My personal experience. External and useful readings. National Center for Biotechnology Information Publications. Related nootropic searches. Introduction. What is Noopept? Noopept is a nootropic that's been receiving significant appreciation for quite some time. It has close links to the favorite racetam group of nootropics, which are known for their exceptional benefits on cognitive function as well as their neuroprotective qualities. Its effects kick in almost instantly after consumption, which is one of the reasons behind its popularity. Many nootropics could take anywhere from 1 day to 3 months for their optimal effect to take action. But when it comes to Noopept, results are usually felt minutes after ingestion. It shares similar onset of action as somewhat related racetam phenylpiracetam. N-phenylacetyll-prolylglycine ethyl ester is promoted as a nootropic and is a prodrug of cycloprolylglycine. Other names include the brand name Noopept, developmental code GVS111, proposed in ombaracetam. Its synthesis was first reported in 1996. Onset of action is the duration of time it takes for a drug's effects to come to prominence upon administration. With oral administration, it typically ranges anywhere from 20 minutes to over an hour, depending on the drug in question. Wikipedia. In Russia and a few of the surrounding countries, Noopept is prescribed for its nootropic qualities. The demand for it is dramatically rising and is currently retailing worldwide, amongst the best-selling nootropics on the major vendor websites. It also acts similar to the way piracetam does, however, it is said to be somewhere over 1,000 more potent. That is why people tend to reach desired effect or outcome from as little as 10 mg and usually not exceeding 30 mg as total, per day. It smoothly settles itself onto the brain's receptors. Even with a dose as small as 10 mg, many report it to be quite comparable, and many, myself included, actually favor it over piracetam. Noopept is also inexpensive comparing to other nootropics because of its high potency. Its effectiveness and inexpensive price led to it being a classic, very popular, and in many cases, a favorite, amongst the nootropic community. Benefits and effects. What is Noopept used for? Supporting memory and learning. Offers neuroprotection and promotes longevity. Increases NGF, nerve growth factor, and BDNF, brain-derived neurotropic factor. Improves association between brain hemispheres. Anxiety relief. Noopept supports memory and learning. Noopept primary interest is how it improves memory and ease the learning process. It helps in memory creation, with additional benefits such as memory consolidation and speed of recall. Noopept helps the correct management of all sorts of stimuli as they are under process by the cerebellum, which permits better memory retrieval. In other terms, signal handling by our sensations is more smooth as they are carrying forward into our memory. Through the continued use of Noopept, individuals report information to be more easily digested and processed, giving them the availability to be ready for use in everyday activities. One might remember names, places, maybe a word chatted in contact, a tune thought to be forgotten, and such. Memory failures will diminish or to the least will be kept to a very minimum. Neuroprotection and promoting longevity. Studies prove that Noopept possesses excellent neuroprotective attributes. The stimulation of the neurons produced by the supplement blocks oxidative damage in the human brain. Many patients dealing with cognitive impairment can benefit from a consistent dosage of NUPEPT to avoid further cognitive decline. NUPEPT increases NGF and BDNF. NGF, nerve growth factor, is a protein in the body that is involved in the growth, preservation, and continuation of nerve cells, including brain cells. Nerve growth factor is also deemed to be very important in neurogenesis, the body's ability to generate new cells. By raising NGF levels in the cerebellum, it allows for new neural connections. The result indicates potentially improved mental skills in nearly all areas of cognition. BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, is another protein in the body that has S role to the NGF mentioned above. BDNF is one of the most critical molecules that associate with memory, playing an essential role in both short and long-term memory formation. Improves association between brain hemispheres. Both the right and left hemispheres of the brain to have their localized functions. Through the use of NUPEPT, each of those functions is developing through the synthesis of various memories, ideas, and stimuli. There are nuances among these functions that improve the way we think. That is why many people have claimed that their quality of life had a significant improvement when taking NUPEPT on a regular basis. Mechanism of action. How does NUPEPT work? NUPEPT seems to be effective, and longer lasting than piracetam, due to its effect on the NMDA receptors. It works in a similar way and has similar mechanisms as piracetam, but at a much lower dosage, when it comes to whole brain function. The research available along with the anecdotal reports seem to strongly support this claim. Oral ingestion of NUPEPT results in a very rapid absorption and metabolism of NUPEPT, although the kinetics of metabolites, which are thought to be bioactive, is not yet known. A true bioavailability study has not been conducted, although it appears that an oral dose is about the equivalent of 1/10 an injected dose, 10% bioavailability. Examine. NUPEPT users report results of improved clarity, better memory, and focus. More studies are undergoing to determine precisely how it provides those privileges to the brain. Studies on animals have shown that NUPEPT increased alpha/beta-1 activity in all brain areas. On memory and cognitive decline. NUPEPT seems to be especially effective, and demonstrates the greatest benefits to patients with mild cognitive decline. It is now undergoing clinical trials for the treatment of cognitive deficiency of post-traumatic origin and cerebrovascular cause. The cerebellum benefits include antioxidant activity as well as anti-inflammatory qualities, along with repression of toxicity by the removal of excessive glutamate and calcium. Similarly, blood rhythm and flow signifies further improvement. Two possible mechanisms of action for enhancing cognition are a sensitizing effect on acetylcholine processes or induction of neurotrophin production, both of which theoretically enhance memory formation. Examine. NUPEPT absorption is a process by the digestive system and succeeding to cross the blood-brain barrier readily. The brain utilizes it almost entirely, very little goes to waste. NUPEPT marks glutamate receptor sections where it chains with the glutamate and inhibit breakdown. Glutamate, being one of the most influential neurotransmitters, supports and increases cognitive functioning. NUPEPT works fast once it is in the bloodstream, maximizing concentration following only 15 to 20 minutes. Anecdotal reports often recall the sudden abundance of clarity and precision delivered by the immediate advantage of added oxygen to the brain and enhanced glucose use. Furthermore, it's frequently reported that it also improves eyesight and perception, expanding one's awareness to his or her surroundings and perceiving colors and objects to be more alive, vibrant, and vivid. Dosage. How to take NUPEPT. If you prefer to prolong the effect throughout the day, take NUPEPT in 3 doses of 10 mg, or 2 doses of 15 mg, or just 1 dose of 30 mg. 10 mg, divide into 3 doses throughout the day. 15 mg, divide into 2 doses twice a day. 30 mg, 1 dose per day. Remember, do not exceed the 30 mg NUPEPT dosage in one day, and ideally, no longer than 60 days cycle if taken every day. After that, allow yourself some time off before you start another cycle. Alternatively, you can take it on and off as needed. Experimenting is the best way to find out what works for your own body. Given how fast the body metabolizes it, and due to its rather short half-life, it is best to take small doses multiple times a day instead of a large one at once, thereby prolonging the effects. In the beginning, it is wise to start with the smallest effective dose with careful observation, before progressing into a higher dose. Noopept in powder form. In powder form, take Noopept sublingually or as a drink with water. Effects will kick in almost immediately. According to the label, take Noopept for 1.5 to 3 weeks and then, if necessary, to begin another cycle after a 1-month break. Alternatively, many users follow 56 days on and 4 days off. Do not take Noopept late in the evening as its energizing effects may interfere with sleep. Furthermore, to supplement Noopept, take 10 to 30 milligrams, once a day, for up to 56 days at a time. More research is needed to determine the optimal human dose for Noopept again, quoting Examine. Noopept nasal spray. Many people seem to discuss different mixtures to getting the most ideal ratio for a Noopept nasal spray, but there isn't any solid information that I could put on here. If you're interested in user experiments and anecdotal experiences, there are a couple different threads you can find by searching Noopept nasal on Reddit Nootropics subreddit here. Side effects. What are Noopept side effects? Most frequently reported side effects of Noopepts are headache, restlessness, or overstimulation, dizziness, irritability. These side effects of Noopepts are mostly occurring when higher doses are consumed. Some studies suggest that it magnifies the effects of stimulants such as amphetamines, so caution is advisable for individuals using ADHD medication. I can personally advise that as well. I've felt that sense of overstimulation in a couple different occasions when taking a 30 mg dose of Noopept shortly after taking my ADHD medication. I now find that a 15 mg dose works best for me whether once or twice per day. Conclusion. The benefits of Noopept are numerous, but the best thing about it is that its effects are cumulative. Noopept has quickly grown in demand and has earned its space within people's nootropic stacks due to its impressive results, ease of small doses, and its reasonable, affordable cost. Whether an expert nootropic user or merely getting to learn about it all, Noopept is an excellent choice for an overall cognitive function boost. User experience. Noopept. Probably the most potent memory and cognition enhancing nootropic I've tried besides phenylpiracetam. Noopept really makes a huge difference for me in terms of mental clarity, memory recall, and fluid thinking. I'll be on this for life 100%. Fawzoni on Reddit. My personal experience. Noopept was amongst the very first nootropics I got to try. I was taking it in a 1 dose of 30 mg in the early afternoon with 300 mg of alpha GPC. I think it was the most effective, and most profound feeling I ever got off a nootropic to this day. I really thought I hit the jackpot. I was able to sit throughout the day at work fully engaged and focused on my whatever I was working on, without any sort of complaining whatsoever. And that was at my corporate job, not at my home office. I was amazed by that. I had to see if it was in my head or if it had been really that effective, and so I had both my best friend and my sister to try it out on different occasions. Both of them ended up asking me to try it a few more times. My friend went on to buy her own while doing her finals at an International Affairs Academy program, and I never heard her talk so positively about any supplement or nootropic whatsoever the way she talked and liked Noopept. Unfortunately though, today, after quite a long time since I first discovered it, it seems to have half the effect it had on me back in the day even if I don't take it for a month or so. But it makes complete sense due to the similarities of other racetams that I supplement with frequently, mostly aniracetam. but the feeling I experienced in the very first few times of noopept was something I had never felt with any other nootropic. External and useful readings. NCBI, National Center for Biotechnology Information, Publications. Neuroprotective effect of novel cognitive enhancer noopept on AD-related cellular model involves the attenuation of apoptosis and tau hyperphosphorylation. Neuroprotective and nootropic drug noopept rescues alpha-synuclein amyloid cytotoxicity. The nootropic and neuroprotective proline-containing dipeptide noopept restores spatial memory and increases immunoreactivity to amyloid in an Alzheimer's disease model. Related nootropic searches. Piracetam, phenylpiracetam, coluracetam, adrafenol. Updated on February 12, 2019 by Nootropics Information. Nootropics Information. Helping the world find nootropics information, organized in an easy-to-read format, and backed by science.